Come class first. So in English first, chapter number 7, we have completed question answers. So today we will do exercises. So exercise is fill in the blanks. So firstly write today's date. This is your first work to write your date. So write fill in the blanks, and one by one we will write sentences from page number 71 from English first book. So write the sentences, and today we will write in this chapter fill in the blanks missing words in the log of the wood. This is wood. So Kuldeep lived in a big house with his parents, 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 and grandparents, grandparents, full stop. So leave one line. Next sentence, Kuldeep loved oranges, oranges, full stop. Third, leave one line. Then third sentence, Kuldeep asked dash to water the tree every day. Asked gardener uncle, gardener, gardener uncle, uncle, gardener uncle, to water the tree every day. Leave one line. Next sentence, Kuldeep shared the oranges with his friends, 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 and neighbors, neighbors, full stop. Neighbors means which live near our house. So our next fifth sentence is Kuldeep's tree had given him a dash surprise on his birthday. So the answer is pleasant, pleasant. Now do activity. Firstly we will see the next exercise in book, page number 70. Take the correct answer. So this, take the correct answer we will do in your book. So the first one is Kuldeep wanted to plant an orange tree in his garden because why? His father loved eating oranges, his mother loved eating oranges, he loved eating oranges, or none of the above. So because he loved eating oranges, that's why he planted an orange tree. Second one is Kuldeep's dash helped him to plant the orange sapling. Who helped? Mother, grandfather, father, or grandmother? So father, Kuldeep's father helped him to plant sapling. Kuldeep was a little boy of how much year? 9, 5, 7, 6. So he was 6 years. Kuldeep lived in a town called, what was the name of the town? Raghavpur, Vidisha, Narayanpur, or none of the above? And no one. So the correct answer is B, Narayanpur. So the next is one day Kuldeep saw a dash planting a small tree. Who was planting a small tree? From where he got the idea? The gardener was planting a small tree. This we have done in copy. Now see this. Circle the things that we get from the trees. Fruit, vegetable we get from the trees. Paper, yes, paper also. Metal, no. Rubber, yes, we can get from the tree. Clothes, yes, we can get some clothes also, like cotton, jute. Wood, yes, of course, wood surely we get from the tree. Glass, no. Plastic, no. Wax, no. And instead of this we get medicines also from the tree. Now on page number 72 you have to just circle these. This you will do in copy. Parent will help their boy to draw this grid in the copy. So what you have to do? You have to just find out the words banyan, coconut, gulmohar, neem, and people in this grid. Okay, so neem is already given. You have to find out the other words and circle it and do in a copy. After fill in the blanks. Now page number 76. This is a star exercise. This you will do yourself. You have to find the way for going home. This girl want to go in her house, in her home, so you have to just find the way how she can go there. Do in a book. So after fill in the blanks, what you have to do, you have to make the grid work. Okay, this work grid. Then now we will do activity. Now write the activity. Things that we get from trees. Okay, now firstly draw a tree and draw the things. So here we have drawn fruits, fruit. So we get fruits from the tree. We got vegetables, vegetables. The next is paper also. On the copy and the books which we are reading, and on the copy where we are writing, this we get from the tree. We get the glue also, and this is the rubber we get from the tree. And clothes also, clothes we get from the tree. Actually we get the fiber from the tree plant, and from that fiber we made clothes. Wood, of course we get wood from the tree, and some medicines must we get from the tree. Except these things, we get many more things. You can write those things also which you know. Okay, medicines. Rubber, RUBBER, CLOTHES, clothes, WOOD, wood. Medicine, MEDICINES. So this is your chapter number 7, which is completed here. So after chapter number 7, your half yearly syllabus, write it here after this activity, so that there will be no confusion about the syllabus. So write here half yearly syllabus of English first is completed. So this much is your English first syllabus for half yearly. And now this is your work to complete all the chapters from chapter number 1 to chapter number 7, and color all the pictures and do your work properly in a neat and clean handwriting. So after that we will start English second, but firstly I want your work up to chapter 7. So thank you everyone.